Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to remove a noise from a voice clip using Audacity. So make sure just open up Audacity and if you haven't installed the Audacity yet in your desktop, you can simply download it. I have already uploaded a video about this topic. You can simply just check out by searching in our channel. So this is the Audacity, how it's look like. Okay, so I'll give you the basic demonstration like how you can record and remove the noise. So there are lots of use of Audacity, but what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm going to teach you about like how you can remove the noise from the from your voice, right? Now here you can see there are a couple of options available like pause, play, okay, record and loop stuffs, right, like that. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure that our microphone is connected, right? So here you can see there are three microphone input option. So I'm going to select this because this audio 2.0, this is the main microphone I'm going to use, right? But if you have the like other sound cards, you can just simply set it. Now if you want to keep it mono or stereo, it's up to you, right? You can select. So I'm just selecting stereo, and this is the output that will play your voice, right? So now what you need to do is you need to click on that record, and here you can see I'm talking right now, okay? So that's why the you can see the graph, audio graph. So you need to keep quiet for a few seconds so that it can record the noise, right? So let me just show you from the front, like how you can show you from beginning, like how you can do this. So I'll just remain silent once I will start recording, right? Alright, so here you can see these 7 seconds I've recorded the noise profile. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record this again. So this is recording the entire voice. So as we can see that we have recorded the noise profile at the very beginning, 7 seconds. So we can simply what we can do is we can just get the noise profile from that first 7 seconds, and we can reduce the noise, right? Okay, and when your recording is done, you need to just click on that stop icon. Okay, now here you can see our recording is stopped, right? So what we need to do is, as we are going to reduce the noise, you can see this is the noise profile, right? So I'm just going to play this. Okay, so here is some noise. So just simply select and drag all the, you can see, just select this 8 seconds, and here you can see the effect, right? Click on that, and here you'll be able to see, noise reduction. Simply click on that noise reduction, and here you can see get noise profile. Click on that. Okay, now just press Ctrl A to select all the all the audio, entire audio track, and now go to again effect and go to noise reduction again, and simply here you can see noise reduction dB. You can set the sensitivity dB as well, but I'm going to keep it just simple, and I'm just going to click on OK. Now here you can see there was noise before, but right now there is no noise. Okay, but there are some types of noise will be exist. So this is recording the entire voice. Alright, so now here you can see that our noise is reduced, and in this way you can remove the noise from your voice, right? So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Okay, so let me just show you how you can export you can simply just click on file and click on export, and here you'll be able to select the format, export as mp3, right? And you can simply give it a rename of audacity of your audio file. So I'm just giving this audio, and I'm just simply keeping saving, and here if you want to artist name, track name, it's up to you, and simply click on OK. And here you can see the audio is exporting. So in this way you can do your work. So you'll be able to find your audio, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quick access, and here you can see this is the audio. As we can see that we have recorded the noise profile. See, in this way you can just simply find the video as audio as well, I'm sorry. Okay, so yep, that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.